So you want to use an ISO as your local repository, so you don't have to go to the internet to get packages. I got your back. Let's use an ISO file as our local repo. So I'm making a video series of videos all about this. So keep tuned, like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps, and you learn all about this. But today, this is about, or now it's about mounting or not mounting. Here I go. Using an ISO as our local repo if you don't want or don't have the possibility of, it's impossible for you to use the internet to get your files. So I'm using here a CentOS 7 because it's kind of a good example for this, because as you know, on this video series, CentOS does not have, at least that I know of, any official on the internet official repositories. So let's then fix that. So here I have the ISO file. It's here somewhere. Okay, it's here, and this is the one, this ISO I want to use as our local repo. So let me just get some root access because that's what we need. Cool. Now what we do here, like we did in previous examples, we go to etc yum repos d. Okay, we get all of these things. You can delete them, but I will move them out of here. Agora vou fazer a snapshot que não fiz há bocado, que me enganei, esqueci. Edit this out, snapshot. Take snapshot, it begins. And we could delete all these repo files, but I like to move them, so I'm going to move all out of here to somewhere safe. I will not need them, but at least it will be for some safekeeping. So now I just do a yum clean. This is optional. This is just going to clean the yum cache, totally optional. And if I do, for example, yum install system config. You know what this is already, config kickstart. It will just give an error because it has nowhere to pull the files from, neither local, neither the internet. So I have shown you this video, or well, I have shown you here somewhere how to use a CD-ROM to be your local repo. Now let's use the ISO, and so let's get this a reference. So home student ISO. There's the ISO. On this folder or in this folder, I'm going to create a file called local ISO, for example, .repo. The name doesn't matter, and just make it .repo. Here I'm going to put a file, a name, really simple, that it has no spaces, nothing special. So then I'm going to do name, okay, equals. Let's local ISO repo, whatever. Now the juice comes here, base URL equals file column / ment local ISO repo. So I still need to build that folder and its contents. We'll get there in a second. GPG check equals 0, enabled equals 1. Don't forget to put enabled equals 1 because I have made the mistake of putting 0 and completely forgot about it and just went nuts. So now you need to make this folder actually work with the contents of the file. And by doing so, what we do here is, okay, so let me get, oh, it's there. Okay, so what we're going to do here is mkdir, oh, I forget already. Jesus, my mind. Okay, mkdir, let's call it can be on the MNT folder or anywhere else. I just like to use the MNT folder for this use case. There we go. And now I just need to do mount, give the full path to the ISO and the full path for the local ISO repo. Mounted read only. This is good news because the ISO is, for all intents and purposes, is a read-only file. So let's list the contents of the folder and we should be good to go. There we go. Now let's try this again. And the result is, there we go. We are connecting to the local repo. completely confirmed. Local repo, it's being contacted. You can see it here. No tricks here. It's here. And if I want to install it, I just say yes. And all the files are getting retrieved from the mounted ISO file that's acting like a repo. And so the ISO, it's the image of a DVD, this install CD or DVD, whatever. And as you know, until RHEL 7 or CentOS 7, they were like today. I mean, they are ready to go as a local repo. You just need to make the correct setup steps, and this is exactly what we did. But instead of using a CD or DVD, we are using ISO LSB. Okay, and there you go. So it's actually mounted, perfectly mounted on our. It's mounted multiple times. Very interesting. Well, it's working. So I can list all of that, and you can actually check all the details. This is perfectly expected. So there we go. It's there. It's mounted. It's being used as a local repo. Let me just show you guys the file again. etc.yum.repos.d, and you have the file, and you have the repository file, and you get it here. Okay, so this was how to set up an ISO file as your local repo. Ask any comments in the comments below if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next. Oh, I'm not showing you here how to mount an ISO permanently, just because I don't think it's the thing to do. But if you check my channel, I show you how to permanently mount an ISO on the FS tab file. So all is good. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.